Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to leave a Facebook group. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and click on the Facebook application. So once you are inside the Facebook, you will be appear with somewhat like this. So for instance, I am into this group or I am a member of this group. So in order to leave the group, what you gotta do is click on that three lines which is appear on the top left corner. Click on it. Again you can see the three dots or three lines. Click on it and you will be appeared with several options. Among them is the leave group option. Simply click on leave group option in order to leave a Facebook group. Once you do that, you will be successfully able to leave a group in Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.